How to fix the Apple Pay not working? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting hold near reader error while trying to use Apple Pay on your iPhone, let's fix this with some easy steps. This error usually happens when your iPhone cannot communicate properly with the payment terminal. So make sure that NFC is enabled. For this, you need to go to your settings and then go to Apple Pay or wallet. Without NFC, Apple Pay cannot connect to the terminal. Next thing, try removing your card from Apple Pay, then add it back again. This refreshes your payment information. Once added, then after you need to restart your iPhone to clear the temporary glitches. Once restarted, also make sure you're running the latest iOS version. Often, Apple fixes bugs related to Apple Pay. However, if it could be the case for physical obstructions, remove any case, metal plate or magnetic accessories that might block NFC signals. Another thing that you can try is a different payment terminal to rule out terminal issues. However, if none of these options work, you might have to reset the network settings. For this, go to your device settings and then tap on General. Then after scroll down to transfer or reset option, tap on reset network and give in your passcode. And once that is done, try to access Apple Pay again and it should probably be fixed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.